Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. The speed limit display is one of the Waze's more useful features, but sometimes it just disappears. The good news is that turning it on is simple, it just takes a few steps in the settings menu, but the bad news is that some account level glitches can cause it to hide even when enabled, which requires a more involved workaround. So, in today's small tutorial, we really want to go through how to fix the speed limit not showing in Waze, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, turn on the speed limit display. Open Waze, tap the search bar, then go to the geese icon or settings in the top left corner. Go to map display. Find the speedometer section and make sure show speed limit is set to always. Now it's time to check your voice and sound settings. If the limit appears but you are not getting audio alerts for speeding, the issue might be in your sound settings. Go through settings, voice and sound, and make sure the play sound via option is set correctly for your setup. On Android Auto, make sure always use the phone speakers. For example, here I'm tapping on settings all the way, voice and sound. As you see, play sound to phone speaker, mute Waze during calls, guidance volume, show on map, whatsoever. So make sure all of these options are checked correctly. Then reset your settings. Some account level bugs can cause notifications to stop showing even when all settings are correct. If you have noticed, alerts and speed limits work perfectly when you log out, but disappear when you log back in, try resetting your preferences, go through settings, notifications, and turn everything off. You can also try to log out of Waze. Log back in, turn all notifications back on. This option forces the app to resync your account preferences. Also, there is this familiarity capping. Waze has a built-in feature. If you see the same speed limit warning on the same route multiple times, Waze assumes you already know it and dies the alert for a few weeks. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.